The game has changed. From Brambila Method 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and now 4.0, everything's changed. Every single year, I take a look at the best business models that you can start without investing any capital or have expensive costs. But I noticed a problem with my course. Every time I'd launch it, tons of different videos. Last one had over 60. And it's just a lot of overwhelm for beginners. So we're gonna change it up this year, do something completely different. We're gonna launch an annual curriculum, broken out quarterly. That's gonna include live streams and live work from yours truly. Think of it like this. You learn a few different business models every quarter, which you get to practice for 90 days and build with me. That way, no matter what level you're at, you're gonna have a step-by-step of each business model as I personally begin each one from scratch. I got this idea from a software company I launched called Brambila, where we created this scholarship and this 90-day challenge. The results, the group activity, and the connections made were the best educational student member results I've ever had, with some members going from 0 to 10K in their first 90 days of making money online. Now, the Brambila Method is my heart and soul. It is my last name. It's based off my grandma, so I want it to be the best program, and I think this is going to be the play. So instead of taking the course at your own pace, you're going to take it with me. And every quarter, you'll work step by step with me with a ton of live training to support you on your journey. And we're doing something else this year we've never done. Paid ads is the most sought after skill set for learning how to make money online. And I used to charge a lot of money to teach people over a weekend. Now, integrated in your membership is the ability to learn paid ads in Q4. We'll focus those 90 days on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so you can crush it, all the holiday season, and learning paid ads across multiple platforms, all for free with your membership. This is a big change that changes the Brambila Method from another course. This is about committing to a lifestyle, a whole year of education and entrepreneurship. So make sure you save all the important dates for the whole year, because we have a lot of work to do.